Kia ora, good afternoon and welcome to this Newshub special to bring you the latest on the COVID-19 pandemic. We'll take you soon to a news conference at the Beehive where the Finance Minister Grant Robertson and the Director of Public Health Dr Caroline McElnay will provide an update on the New Zealand cases. But first, let's take a look at the latest developments. People not wearing masks on public transport could face spot fines of $300 from Monday. That excludes students on school buses, people under 12 and passengers on the Inter-Islander ferries. There were 7 cases announced yesterday, 6 in the community. Auckland is set to move from level 3 to level 2 at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. The rest of the country will stay at level 2. Newshub reporter Emma Cropper is with us live now from a testing station outside Eden Park. Emma, this is Auckland's last weekend in level 3. Are they confident they have contained the outbreak?
Mitch, I am down here at the Eden Park testing station. There's around 50 cars lined up to be tested at the moment. Probably the best way to describe it is kind of mixed emotions about entering the last weekend in lockdown. Although people want to lower down at a level to alert level 2, no one more than the businesses who are sacrificing so much right now. Yesterday we did see 7 cases and they still haven't been able to link that mini cluster back to the main Auckland cluster. And there are still some mystery cases. There's that one man who showed up quite sick at the North Shore Emergency Department on Friday night, who's now in intensive care, and they haven't been able to link him back to the cluster yet either. So people are quite concerned because last time we lowered down with 0 cases. However, the Health Minister here said there is no, they are not going to review the decision. They are going to stick to their plan, come out of alert level 3 on Sunday night. They do believe they have ring-fenced this cluster. They do believe they have it contained like they want to. He says they don't need to see 0 cases to move down an alert level. It just needs to be contained.
Emma, how prepared is everyone to move to level 2 with mandatory face masks in some settings?
Yes, it is going to be quite different at alert level 2 here in Auckland. I guess we've been quite used to it throughout this lockdown, getting used to wearing masks. Certainly every day when you walk down the street you see more and more people wearing them in different settings. But at alert level 2 they are now going to be mandatory on public transport across the country. So it will be quite a new feeling for so many people around the country. But the Taxi Association, they've come out today saying they are getting mixed messages about it, because in taxis and the likes of Ubers, it is just the driver who needs to be wearing a mask, not the passengers, because you're essentially travelling in your bubble. However, the Taxi Association says there is still an increased risk. Why would you not make passengers wear a mask? So it's going to be quite new for people, but they are going to be policing it quite lightly, policed based on kindness rather than enforcing those fines. But that is a tool they have there if they need it.
This is a Newshub special here on 3 and on newshub.co.nz. We are speaking with Emma Cropper outside a testing station at Eden Park. Emma, we've heard this morning that the Trans-Tasman bubble isn't dead. When could that happen?
Yes, Deputy Prime Minister Winston Peters came out this morning saying that no, it's not dead, but no, it's not going to happen this year because of the cases in Auckland and Australia.
Emma Cropper, we appreciate your time. Let's go to that press conference now in Wellington with the Finance Minister and Director of Public Health.
Well, kia ora koutou katoa, no mai haere mai ki tēnei hui papaho I te pārere. Welcome to Friday's media conference, everybody. I'll first hand over to Dr McElnay to give you an update on the numbers and then make a few brief remarks after that.
Thank you. Tēnā koutou katoa.